everybody, welcome to my channel. I'm Leah. I'm a licensed esthetician in the state of Ohio. I own a med spa here, and I also own Skin Beautiful RX, which is an online medical grade skincare store. We do virtual consultations as well as see clients in clinic, so no matter where you are, we would love to have you as a client. Today's video is a follow-up to my video over the summer, well, actually to my treatment over the summer. So almost a year ago now, it'll be a year in July. And then I did a video a few months after that regarding my skin cancer that I had on my forehead. Making that video was one of my, actually probably was my biggest accomplishment last year, because one, the outpouring of love I received, but more importantly, the amount of feedback that I got that people were actually scheduling a consult to get their skin checked. And I would say, I heard from so many people, and it like I said, it was my biggest accomplishment last year to know that so many people, that video resonated with so many people, and that they took their health into their own hands and made sure that they had a skin check. I would say about 10 people actually followed up to let me know that they in fact did have skin cancer. And it's just like amazing to me that I was able to inspire somebody to get a skin check and they were able to be treated before things could have really gotten worse. One of those people actually had melanoma, which is so extremely scary and one of the most deadly types of cancer there is. So if you're watching this and you have not gotten your skin check or scheduled it for this year, please do so. My follow-up though is regarding my recovery, what I used on my skin cancer scar, because I'm getting so many people wanting to know now what I used, because my scar was extremely bad. I will try and post videos in this. I will also post my original video where I did show my skin cancer scar, a few images of my skin cancer scar throughout that video. And I did not have a typical recovery. So, typically it closes after most surgery. You have your sutures and you can start applying your products in order for it to look better. Mine did not go that well. I actually had to keep it covered for well over 2 months because it would not close. It was opened on my forehead about this far, and it went about from here to here. And after 2 months, finally my doctor was like, just uncover it, like maybe the air will help close it. So for another month, it was gross. I'm gonna be really honest. It was so disgusting looking. I don't even want to talk about it, how bad it looked, and it was traumatizing. And but now it looks so much better, and I know it's because I was finally able to use products. And I will say, one of the things I wish I could have done sooner was start using my NeoGenesis Recovery a lot sooner than I could. My doctor, since he wanted me to keep it covered 24 hours a day for well over 2 months, I could not put anything on it. I could not get it wet, and it was just gross. By the time I took it off after 2 months, you can probably picture it in your head how gross that was. It was just nasty. So anyway, the first product that I used, and I wish I could have used sooner, if you can only put one product on, I highly recommend NeoGenesis Recovery. This is their advanced growth factor formula. This is the perfect product for post-laser, post-procedure, post-wound, anything, because its ability to heal. It is a super high % growth factor protein formula, and it's going to be perfect for actual exposed or unhealthy skin, because it's so rejuvenating and so healing. Not all growth factors, and I try and explain this a lot, not all growth factors are created equal. Different proteins target different gene expression, and for scar recovery, for wound healing, certain growth factors are better than others. For me, the best formula for wound healing, without a doubt, is going to be NeoGenesis Recovery. Any type of wound healing, this is the serum you need to use without a doubt. So if you are ever in the situation where you have a bandage, it gets removed, and you can start applying product, I highly recommend, the sooner the better, to use your NeoGenesis Recovery. I use this as often as I could. Some days were better than others. Some days were 1 time a day. Some days I could get to 3 times a day. But for me, really making sure I massaged it into the skin as well was super beneficial. My scar actually keloided on top of everything else that keloided, and I am still using this product because now it is flat, which is really exciting to me because I thought that I was going to be keloided forever, and this has helped so very much. So without a doubt, the NeoGenesis Recovery. So what I would do, and I didn't wear makeup or anything today, I lip gloss on obviously, but I wanted to make sure you guys saw like how I did this. And these products you guys can actually use all over. Like, you don't have to, I just used way too much. You don't have to just use them just on the scar. For a few, like 30 to 60 seconds, I would massage it really, really well. You can actually use this all over the face, so if you use too much, totally fine. Like, amazing product for overall anti-aging too, but when it comes to recovery of a wound, this is your magic potion. I have so many videos on NeoGenesis Recovery. This is such an amazing anti-aging serum. It's amazing for pore size, it's amazing for redness, inflammation, but without a doubt, it is the best, in my opinion, product for wound healing post treatment, post procedure, especially when it comes to skin that is not intact. For me, I will also only use growth factors that are oncology approved. So this one is always going to be my #1 product for if you have skin cancer and you are in need of wound healing. Reach for your NeoGenesis Recovery. The next product I'm actually really excited because I've never talked about before, but this has helped my healing so much. These two together were like the perfect duo. I know that I would have had great results using one or the other, but pairing them together, I got the most beneficial treatment plan that I think I could have had. And you know what really sucks is, like, my dermatologist didn't even tell me what to do after my treatment, after my surgery. He didn't even say anything. He said, okay, like, you know, let me know how it goes in 6 to 8 months. We may have to zap it with laser. And I'm like, wow, you know, I'm a skincare professional, which is exciting because I know how to treat my skin. But even for me, seeing myself the way it looked was so traumatic. I had a hard time even looking at myself for a few weeks, if not longer. So I can only imagine what it's like for people who don't know the skin, don't know what to use, how like traumatic of an experience this is. And then your doctor, your surgeon doesn't even tell you how to make the scar look better. I mean, I keloided, and I know people way more prone to keloids than I am. If I keloided, I can only assume how many other people went through what I did and didn't have the support that I do, being able to make the scar look a lot better. Besides the fact that I want everybody to make sure that they're using their SPF, they're getting their skin checked, I also want to make sure that I am a support for you to know, you know, I'm here for you if you don't know what to do and your surgeon did not tell you how to care for your scar. The next product I'm really excited to talk to you guys about because, like I said, I couldn't have done one without the other to have such great results. And this is the first time I've ever talked about this product on my channel. This product was actually sent to me from Epicuren, from their trainer, who she's amazing. She's been in the business forever, and she actually had came to our spa to work with me on a facial protocol, and she was like, wow, your scar's looking really good, but I have something that you should start using. You don't carry it, but if I promise you, you're going to see huge changes, because she saw that it was keloiding. And literally she put the order in, it was here within a few days. And another thing I wish I would have been able to use much sooner, I used Recovery about 2 months before I even started using the Epicuren Enzyme Concentrate. This is liquid gold. Literally, they actually call this liquid gold. And I don't think the name of this product truly described how transforming this is for overall health. I mean, this is literally just a anti-aging treatment for really healthy, tight, toned, firmed skin. But its secret that I'm excited to tell you guys about today is that for scarring, it is incredible. And like I said, both of these together resulted in the healing of my scar looking way better than I thought it would ever look. So really quick, the Epicuren Enzyme Concentrate is a vitamin protein complex. They call a protein with intelligence. So this is going to be amazing for wound recovery as well, smoothing the skin, overall luminosity, and very intelligent when it comes to collagen. So the Epicuren line is all around metadermabolic enzymes. The metadermabolic enzymes encourage your skin to self-rejuvenate. And it's really special when we apply this to scar or post-treatment wounds. This is going to be great for overall texture, tone of the skin. Elasticity is really important with this product, and you don't get the dry, flaky irritation you can get with products that have a similar outcome as this. For me, this is really similar to the Is Clinical Polyvitamin Serum without all the acids. Like, you're gonna get the same skin rejuvenation, tightening, glow, deep hydration, but a lot of people cannot tolerate the polyvitamin serum because it has acids in it as well that can make the skin really flush and really tingly. This is the product that is going to be the perfect solution for you, especially on that really sensitive skin that has gone through trauma. So this has amino acids from collagen, and it's very similar to actual collagen, but it has really important moisture binding capabilities. And why this is going to be really special for scar treatment is that the amino acids in this are so important for fibroblasts of our skin. And hydrolyzed elastin is great for anti-aging, it's great for fine lines and wrinkles, but it's also going to be great for scar recovery because of the different vitamins and nutrients that this carries into the skin for healing. This also has niacin, which is amazing for DNA damage, so it's going to heal damage deep in the skin, whether it be from scar treatment or just regular DNA damage. This is an incredible DNA product, as well as important as it is for anti-aging. It's really important to have a DNA recovery product. And then the ingredient that I think is most integral to this formula and being able to help with scar tissue is crocus bulb extract. This is a clinically proven ingredient that actually triggers proper cellular communication between our cells and our skin to repair damage. Damage is actually in the dermis, so it is correcting really deeply in our skin the damaged collagen, the damaged elastin, scar, and actually making it healthier and rejuvenating the skin and properly communicating between the cells that have been damaged, correcting it, and then they can appropriately communicate to smooth and correct the area, which when I started using this is truly when a lot of that tissue that had keloided started to smooth out. So like it's exciting for me to talk about, but to really have witnessed it and being able to put this on every day and see the changes, I mean, so quickly, was just amazing for me. So using these two products together, I was able to effectively treat my skin from the inside out, literally, between the growth factors and then having a product that actually triggers the recommunication of broken down cells. They actually were able to work together to completely transform my scar. For overall health of the skin, especially when you are doing a post-scar protocol, one is the 5% serum. So it's actually really funny because not my dermatologist, but another one was like, you really just need to use Retin-A on your scar. And there was just no way I was going to use Retin-A on my scar because I have something way better than that. I have the Retinol Forte 5% from Truth Treatments, which actually equals the Retin-A strength that they wanted me to use. And I actually just posted on my Instagram because I knew I was making this video, and I really wanted people to understand the importance of retinol, especially again in wound healing. Retinol is an important part in wound healing. You need vitamin A for wounds to heal. The lack of vitamin A when healing a wound results in a extended treatment time, meaning that it's going to take longer for it to heal and it's not going to look as good as it can. So I was really lucky, again, because my surgery was in July. I actually received this from Truth Treatments in October. Again, a common theme, if I was only able to use this stuff sooner, I know it would look even better than what it does. But if you don't follow me on Instagram, basically what I said is retinol is necessary for the healthy growth and development of all cells of epithelial origin. New cells in a scar are going to be, important. So treating those, making sure they have the right vitamins and nutrients, cell communication, as well as growth factors is so important. Retinol is in that treatment plan as well. So it's lipid soluble, does not evaporate quickly from the skin surface. Retinol also promotes wound healing, boosts collagen synthesis, and serves as an antioxidant. In higher formulations, that's not important, but it's a antioxidant, so it's protecting the scar material, and it is an important key factor in wound healing. And it also has tetrahydroxyl sorbate, so it's going to help to really, again, promote collagen synthesis because it's a vitamin C, as well as lighten and brighten my skin and increase my natural moisture factors in my skin. This product I did want to tell you guys about because it's really important that a lot of people understand that scar tissue burns much quicker than regular healthy tissue. You more safety from sun exposure. You want the highest SPF that you can get, and this one is a medical formula. I love this SPF, especially for somebody who pigments really easy just naturally from hyperpigmentation or melasma. Get a really high SPF and you will see a huge difference. It gives an amazing finish, but I definitely always put this over my scar as my first base of SPF in the morning. And again, without it, I know I couldn't have gotten the result I have. So grateful that I had these products, especially Recovery Enzyme Concentrate from Epicuren. Like, they changed my life. I was honestly so upset at how my scar looked, spending as many years I have in this industry caring for my skin. Skin cancer was one thing that was really upsetting, and then on top of it, all the years I've spent trying to make sure my skin looks healthy, having this gigantic keloided scar across my forehead really depressed me, actually, to be completely honest. It's not something like, oh, you're so vain. No, it's literally looking in the mirror and seeing like this gigantic scar on your face. You're just so traumatized by the entire experience, and then you have to see that where it's just keloided, and it just makes you not feel good about yourself. But having these, like, I feel great again. I'm so happy, and I hope that seeing the products I have used can help you guys, because I actually get comments every day on my videos. I just got one this morning right before I started this video, like, can you please let us know what you used on your scar? And without a doubt, these two will be the most important things you can use on your skin cancer scar. Love y'all so much. Please get your skin checked. Please apply your SPF. Please reapply your SPF. It means everything to me. I love y'all so much. I hope this video was helpful. Bye-bye.